Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find general option 2. So let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down and go to the keyboard and tap on keyboards at the top. So right here we've got the list of all currently added keyboards. So we've got English, emoji, and something called Super Whisper. So in order to add new language, new keyboard, we have to simply tap on Add New Keyboard, and we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So basically just scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply. And let me pick maybe something graphical, so you will be able to see the difference. Let me pick Urdu. After tapping on the specific language, you will be able to choose the layout, so the type of the keyboard. So I'll pick this alphabetical, so just mark the option and then tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, our language has been immediately added. And now we can simply go back and enter the app which will provide us with the keyboard so we can see the difference. So let's simply tap on the on this area, and we've got the keyboard. All we have to do right now is to tap on this globe icon, thanks to which we can change keyboards. So let's tap on it. Now we've got Urdu 1. As you can see, we successfully added it, and after tapping on it again, we've got English also. This is how to add the new language, and if you wish to remove it, just go back to this keyboard section, tap on keyboards and tap on edit. And now we can remove the keyboards just by tapping on this minus icon next to the keyboard and tap on delete to confirm. Same here, tap on this tick icon to confirm, and as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.